we have come to the end of this series. We are about to start a completely new series, and this is on learning Python language. But before then, I just want to show you, give you a little glimpse into what we are about to do. Now, if you look at this SQL, the select query, select star from employees is giving you this output. From this output, we can export to Excel. You just right click anywhere here and you click on export data, and then you pick XLS, that is for Excel. Then you can say Excel and then you give it a name, which is file. You can browse and change it to any other location. So this is used as administrator table. So this is the name table export to Excel. I can change it to any other thing that I want. And then columns, all the columns, that's what I want. If I don't want all the columns, I can actually pick the particular column that I want. But I want all the columns, so I just leave it on all the columns. Then the where clause, I can equally put the where clause here and then decide which of the columns I want to pick. But I don't want to do that, so I'll just leave it the way it is. Now I'm going to right click on it, export, XLS, then I'll say apply. So let's go to that place and see it. So this is it, table export. So I'm going to open it. So this is it. You can see how it is coming. Now, this is Excel. Before you give it to any person that has asked for the report, you can now clean it up before giving it to the person that asked for it. So you can see this completion percentage. This place is empty because it's null. Now, if you see anybody that has completion percentage, you will see it coming out. So this is how it is coming out in Excel. And how many employees? We have what? 107. Now you're having 108 here because of the column, which is number 1. So 107 employees, all the employees have been exported out. So this is it on the Excel. You can now play with this Excel and clean it up and present it to whoever it is that is asking for the report. But that is directly from the SQL developer. What if I want to pass it through another programming language like Python? So Python is an object-oriented language. Now I am going to write a script and then call this query language in that script to do this same task of exporting to Excel. You can see what I did. I manually did the export. I right click on it and then I click on export and then type that name and then it exports. So I'm going to close this. So I'm going to show you how to use Python to achieve this same thing that I've done. So this is my Python platform. This is the IDE. So this is the IDE. This is the script that I wrote in Python. And then my connection to my database. And I supply the SQL query into it. So I'm going to execute this script. I'm going to execute this script. And it's going to do that same job that I did manually from the SQL developer. So here, then I click. So it is running. All right, so the script has finished and it has exported. This is the output, output.sls. So this is where it is going to, which is C, users administrator, and then PyCharm project, first project. So C administrator. Now let's go there. I think I have it here. Yeah, PyCharm project, first project. So this is it. So look at, this is what Python, look at how Python brought it out. So like this one, the higher date, I can change it to short date. I just change it to short date, clean it up. Now it's giving me this. Now I can now work on this Excel, the same thing that it did before, which is giving me how many? 108. So now I can click here and then freeze the pane. So I can freeze that top pane, and then I have this. So this is it. Now I can now work on this, arrange it properly, and give it to whoever it is that asked for the report. Commission percentage, all these ones are null. That's why you're not seeing anything now. These are the people that have commission percentage, either salesman or sales rep. So this query, this script, this is the Python script that did that job for me, instead of me doing it manually like I did using the SQL developer. So all what we are going to learn is the Python language to enable us write this kind of script and to enable us execute this kind of task. That is the new series that we are about to start. So if you have not subscribed to our channel or you are not following us on our Facebook page, please do so that you will not miss out in this new series.